Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're working on this 2014 Chrysler 300C. Problem we have, let me show you. Every time we put it on reverse, the camera just flickers. You can't even see anything. So look, putting right there, reverse, and this is what we see. You can see the guidelines. Sometimes they go away, sometimes they stay, but you know, just flickering on the screen, and sometimes you get a blue screen. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's really simple. So let me open the trunk and I'll show you. Okay, we're gonna have to replace the camera, but it's really simple to fix. You have to remove these clips. Let me show you. There's 3 clips over here. There's another one right here, right here, right here, and another one right here. And remove. Well, I mean, you can leave this here. And once you remove that, you can push this on the side. I mean, it's easier if you want to remove this. It's just, I didn't want to, because as soon as you just put this here like this, let me see, take out this thing. This is what we're working with. So this is what we have to replace. So let me show you what's the next step. Okay, once you're here, you can remove the camera. I mean, some people will remove these 2 nuts right here, take out the whole part, but you don't have to. I mean, if you have a setup like I do right here, using a small ratchet and a T8 Torx. Let me put it here. There we go. You can remove it. Let me show you. There's this bolt right here, and there's another one right there. So using this setup, like I told you, you're able to remove it from here without removing the whole thing. Then once you remove that, you can unplug here. So let me remove these 2 bolts first, and then I'll show you. All right, there we go. It took me no less than 30 seconds to remove. And over here is really simple to remove. Just press here and pull, and there we go. Super simple. Now this is the new part we're gonna put. Link will be in the description if you want to purchase it from Amazon. It's really inexpensive, so this is a really cheap fix, and it works perfectly. So let me take it out. Let me compare it with this one. Should be the same size. Yeah, same connector. This one comes with a cover, so just remove it. There you go. And let's connect it, and then we test it out before we do the installation. So let me see. Okay, right there. Okay, let's put it facing this way. Okay, there we go. So let me turn on the car and we see if it works. All right, guys, cross your fingers. Let's check it out. Accept. All right, here goes nothing. Reverse, and there you go. Perfect. All right, I'm going to connect it the right way, put everything back, and then we'll test it again, and we'll see how it looks. All right, connection is really simple. Just follow the same instructions backwards. I use my hand first, like this, and that's the other one right there. You can see. It's really easy. Let me just use this now. Hold on. Okay, now it's tight all the way. And now let's do the other one. Perfect. Make sure you put all the clips back. Again, super simple. Just push. And don't forget to put the ones that go on this side as well. All right, everything is back in place. Camera is looking perfect. Now again, let's go turn it on and we'll see how it looks. Come on, accept, reverse, perfect. There you go. It looks really nice. It looks really good. So all right guys, that's it for the video. It's a really simple fix. It'll take you no more than 20 minutes to replace. So if you have this problem, if you ended up fixing it the way I fixed it, let me know in the comments. Let me know if this video worked for you. Again, the link will be in the description if you want to purchase the camera. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. Okay, so I'm reversing right now, as you can see, and the quality looks really good. It looks even better than the stock camera the car comes with. Look, it looks really neat. Everything looks HD. Those two cars passing by.